The futility of specialness, the ego's last stance. In the human pursuit of self-identity and significance, the concept of specialness often emerges as a prominent driving force. This notion, deeply rooted in the ego, is driven by the desire for recognition, validation, and a sense of superiority over others. However, upon deeper examination, one can discern that specialness is an ephemeral and illusory construct. It serves as the ego's last stance before realizing the futility of seeking uniqueness and separateness from the whole. The ego, that ever-chattering voice in our minds that crafts our self-identity, thrives on the illusion of individualism. It relentlessly convinces us that we must be distinct from others, leading us to believe we are somehow superior, extraordinary, or deserving of special treatment. This persistent pursuit of specialness binds us to the temporal and ever-changing realm of egoic consciousness. But what is the nature of the ego? It is transient and fleeting, evolving with each experience and thought pattern. Like a passing cloud, it drifts across the canvas of our consciousness, shaping our perceptions and desires. To identify with this transient aspect of ourselves and seek specialness becomes fool's gold, trapping us in a perpetual cycle of self-obsession and the pursuit of external validation. In this grand dance of existence, specialness perpetuates an illusion of separateness. It fosters a divisive us versus them mentality, reinforcing boundaries that seem concrete but are ultimately illusory. At its core, specialness is a mirage, distorting the true essence of our interconnectedness as beings on this journey of life. Moreover, specialness is an obstacle to spiritual growth. Philosophical and spiritual traditions often emphasize the transcendence of the ego for a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. When we let go of the need for special recognition, we open ourselves to experiencing oneness with all of existence. In the timeless realm where all is interconnected, the pursuit of specialness loses its meaning. In this boundless space, reserving knowledge or wisdom for a select few considered special becomes irrelevant. Universal knowledge is accessible to all, and each person's unique contributions become part of the symphony of life. Embracing our inherent unity and recognizing the illusory nature of specialness fosters a sense of purpose beyond the ego. As pieces of the grand puzzle of creation, every individual plays a crucial role in the unfolding of the universe's design. Each person's unique experiences, perspectives, and contributions enrich the tapestry of existence. Ultimately, specialness is the ego's last stance, an ephemeral construct that hinders our connection with the deeper truths of existence. As we let go of the pursuit of specialness, we step into unity and interconnectedness. By transcending the ego's need for recognition and embracing our interconnected nature, we can find profound meaning in the collective dance of life. In this realization, we free ourselves from the chains of egoic consciousness, unlocking the door to a deeper understanding of ourselves, others, and the universe.